The Council of Churches Ncck has called for the resignation of 3 cabinet secretaries, Nakhumicha of Health, Mithika Linturi Agriculture, and Kipchumba Murkomeni of Transport, for what they said they have failed to deliver required services in their ministries. Ncck is accusing Nakhumicha of failing to avert the ongoing doctors' strike, which have left thousands of Kenyans unable to access treatment. The clergy also want cabinet secretaries for agriculture and his transport counterpart to resign following the fake fertilizer scandal and increased road accident. Felix Wanjala with that report.
The ongoing doctor strike has made more Kenyans who are seeking medical services get stranded. The National Council of Churches of Kenya, Ncck, has castigated Health Cabinet Secretary Nakhumicha for failing to get a lasting solution for the doctor strike. The Nairobi Ncck chairman Alpha Skanga says all Kenyans getting health services from public hospitals have suffered a lot and that it's time for the health CS Nakhumicha to resign.
If I was the Minister of Health this time, either if one person died in some countries because of there's something wrong, either she fixes it or steps out. Simple.
It is not the people of my Kariba who are suffering. A bishop can afford to go to Aga Khan Hospital, but the grandmother who you call Pale Mashinani cannot afford. So we want to see the president talk about it, solve this problem, let people live well in this nation.
The clergy has also raised concerns to the Cabinet Secretary for Agriculture, Mithika Linturi, to quit office over the failure to solve the issue of unsuspected fake fertilizer.
In Peanwa, with the systems that we're supposed to be doing, they have the accountability. They have who are the storekeepers. They have the lorries that transport it. The Minister of Agriculture should not come and tell us ilikuwa ikatembea. The Minister of Agriculture would have come and told us this what happens, and either so and so has been sacked or himself is stepped down.
Following the rise of road accident cases in the country, Ncck officials has accused the CS for Transport Kipchumba Murkomeni for failing to address the issue of accidents.
The rate of accidents in Kenya can be measured with the rate of corruption in this country. We must have consolidated effort with the police, and NTCA, and all the systems concerned, because there must be something wrong. For those vehicles to do what they are doing right now, either things have gone out of hand.
ODM leaders during a press meeting yesterday, they condemned the supply of fake fertilizer, demanding more answers from KEBS, asking the top officials to quit their offices and pave way for the investigations.
Officers at the Ministry of Agriculture and those at the Kenya Bureau of Standards and the National Cereals and Produce Board, who have direct responsibility for fertilizer, seeds and certification, must immediately quit their positions and pave way for proper and professional investigations. Those found to be responsible for these criminal activities of supplying fake seeds and fertilizer must be charged with sabotage and engagement in organized criminal activity.
Opposition leaders now demand the price of fertilizer to be reduced from a current price of 2,500 for a 50 kg bag to 1,500 to compensate farmers across the country.
The government must immediately devise new ways to procure, secure and distribute quality fertilizer and seeds to farmers who are running out of time. We reiterate that in view of the current delays and confusion over fertilizers, the prices of a product be subsidized further and reduced from the current 2,500 for a 50 kg bag to 1,500 as a show of remorse and apology and respect to our farmers.
Uasin Gishu Governor Jonathan B now wants NCPB to give answers on how they allowed fake fertilizer to enter government storage.
Iliwezekanaje kwamba tukuwe na fake fertilizer kwa stores zetu za NCPB? Hii ni project ya serikali ya Kenya Kwanza. Last year tulikuwa na fertilizers, hatukuona shida kama hiyo. This time round wakulima wamejiandaa, wakulima wako tayari kupanda mahindi na kupanda ngano, alafu unaenda kutupeletea fertilizer ambaye ni kuna mawe ndani na ni fake. Tunakuambia Kimothe MD, wewe lazima ukuwe answerable.
Felix Wanjala, News Outlook, Tandao TV.